I don't have these problems.
4 million years ago, 3 and 4 million years ago, there was a second generation of volcanism in the Balaton uplands, but the Hegyestű is in exception because this was active 8 million years ago, similar to volcanoes of Tigany Peninsula. They were the first generation of volcanoes of Balaton uplands. But the Hegyestű magma falling to the surface, gets near the surface, this water became steam and erupted. After the explosions, a crater is formed. You can see similar crater here. This photo shows a member that when falls down formed a special shape. It's similar a giant duck ball, about 1 kilometers wide and only 100 meters high in the edge of this original form. And we now not can see the volcano up the surface, but we only the subsurface position. We only the vent of the lake. Here's the crater. This is a vent after the surface, and this bazalt here. Now in the surface, in the vent, the material of the vent, and the miners and the quarries, workers of quarries destroyed half, and this is another half, the filling of the vent. Cools out and became hard and falls down so. But if doesn't melt again, it stays this way. And I have got another piece of lava. It's very hot. The gas bubbles left the lava and stay here because cool. But this is a material, the edge of the crater. In the Hegyestű, we can't see edge of the crater, we can't see lava lake, we see only the material of the vent. This is very old volcano, but younger volcano we can see it and that. And English language. Kali Basin, and behind the Tapolca Basin. Here the Kali Basin.
Until meddig?
Addig a sárga. The yellow line, this is a sand of the Pannon, Lake Pannon. You can see the yellow color line, yes. and behind that hill there is the Tapolca basin. This is a Kali basin, and behind the Tapolca basin, and the far away the Keszthely hills. Keszthely hills, a leghátsó. The Kali basin, similar to the Carpathian basin, surrounding mountains and small sweet water lake. This is a Horny lake. Similar to the Carpathian basin is Lake Balaton. Horny lake is two long nature trails, and both created in the frame of this project.
Just decorated stones.
This is surrounding hills of the Kali basin, the Black Kali, and in the Kali basin, 9 larger and same smaller seas of stones. This is unique geological képződmény. Creation of the Kali basin. All over the world, only here. There are all over the world only here Kali basin, seas of stones. This is like concrete because the sand and gravel amikor betonnál keményedik, hogy hívják ezt?
Concrete?
Concrete, yes. This is like a concrete, but not the man, az amikor összeáll, amikor van egy szó erre magyarul is, amikor nem, hanem amikor a beton megkeményedik, és nem, hanem van egy anyag, ami megköti, összeköti. Cemented, yes. The gravel and sand cemented them here. Each blocks of the sea of stones, graves and sand cemented form. The material of the cemented is special minerals, iron and lime and kova, flint stone minerals. Very strong cemented. You can see here. We will go to the best of the
I don't think it is.
Stones is a highly protected area because this is a unique phenomenon all over the world. When here was the Lake Pannon 8 million years. Begin it about 12 million years ago and left from the earth. This water body left about 4.5 million years ago, and why disappeared the Lake Pannon? Because the surrounding streams and rivers filled it up with sand and gravels. And these sediments, about original sediments, about 200 and 300 meters thickness was. But the external forces destroyed and left from here to the stench of Balaton and Somogy and Duna and far away, but the cemented form, that place where the sand and the gravel cemented, stay the blocks, stay here, and surrounding not cemented form left and destroyed. And we will go back 10,000 years later. These blocks will be larger because the sand, mainly sand, left and left and left and left surrounding. You understand me? Yes.
That you showed me back?
Moving.
Really?
But we are not we are wrong graph. He stay not moving. We try it.
Can you just make a common wish for everyone?
Than 2 meters, and the person may be in. This is a cave.
Ja, oké. Hát azt nevezzük
Igen, belefér egy ember és nagyobb 2 méter.
Sounded something.
Ez már kimeríti.
You heard it?